They say wonders shall never end, and no be lie at all. That talk now confirm legit. See country people dey para well, they no get joy at all sake of how things be for inside the country Nigeria. They can't even do protest. But as our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu can talk about the matter, everybody begin do the camps. Yes, so country people now they para sake of bad governance and hunger wey dey for inside the country Nigeria. But our President now Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he can address country people for inside one broadcast on Sunday, wey be the 4th day of August for inside this year 2024, to calm down some kind tension. And no be lie, tension kuku calm down. Wetin dey wonder now wetin Baba put for a mouth they talk. Because as I'm talking to you right now, my good people, many protesters from across the country, they don't come body for the protest. So they say they want embrace dialogue. They want listen to our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu wetin him talk and how him talk am. Wetin Baba put for mouth before him begin talk am. We come make country people wey dey para well, they no get joy. We cause kasala for streets for how many days of their protest. It don't make them calm down just for how many minutes of talk. Now for inside Bauchi State, some country people don't tell protesters say make them kukuma calm down now. Say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't address country people, make them listen to am. And many organizers of the protest, they don't cease fire. Sake of say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't carry mic, can't talk one or two. Now my good people, you know say based on reports, this protest supposed to last for 10 days. And country people now they use this protest to take complaint, give the federal government, and to take get the attention of the federal government to the pressing matters of national concern. And the protesters don't drop their demand, give the federal government unto say they para away, they no get joy for inside the country. So this demand now, they say the federal government gas do am if they no want make the demonstration continue for inside the country Nigeria. And according to the police, 7 people don't bear RIP as violence and bomb attack be happen for some states during the protest. Normally, na so protests they always be for inside the country Nigeria. If country people no bear RIP, it's like the federal government no go rest. Some country person go just come outside say they want to do peaceful protest. They want to talk about the things and things so they worry them for inside the country Nigeria. But you see, the federal government and security personnel, they go turn into another thing. And most times, no be all of them their fault, because reports dey ground about looting and destruction of public and private property by Jagura people. Who be the Jagura people? Na still country people. Those ones who get bad blood, they can't decide to take advantage of the process to use and take cause kasala for inside the country. Those men will get bad intentions. Just on Saturday will be the 3rd day of August for inside this year 2024 and the 3rd day of the nationwide protest. If you enter social media, you go see different kind of pictures and videos of quarter between protesters and security agencies where they try to restrict the demonstration to dedicated locations. You know, say for some states now, they make agreements with the protesters. Say make them do one particular location, one particular park, anything they want to do for that park. So far, say they no cause violence, make them do their protest. Make they no march up and down for different streets. Make they no block road. They no stop activities for the states. Now you know say Nigerians they like warning. They no listen. They still they march up and down for streets. They do their protest. This one now can bring beef between security officers and protesters. The protesters then they one side they holler say now our rights, freedom of movement. We'll go do protest or anywhere we want to do protest. Why the security officers then they one side they shout, make una obey rule of law. This na order from the government. Make una obey them. So imagine the level of stubbornness where the protesters they display. You understand? But as our president now, we be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, can address the nation and he can touch some kind things where they happen for inside the country. He can talk about them. Country people just ice water. They just come up body. He can make them begin to obey. He reach to wonder, see what they happen for here. Now, sharply, my good people, make a yarn on our 5 important issues where our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu address for inside in speech. Number 1, he drop condolences and he sue for peace. That is, he no wants violence. Our president now in the express in deep pain, sake of say country people don't bear RIP on top the matter. They don't bear RIP during this nationwide protest, so they happen for inside the country Nigeria. So he can give in condolences to the families and relations of those people where they bear RIP. and he come appeal give the protesters say make dem do the calms, make dem calm down kwanu, make dem give government opportunity for dialogue, make dem negotiate with the government to prevent further RIP. Number 2, our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he come dey give warning to security agencies. Our president first give the security agencies dem accolade sake of say dem respond wella to violence. He acknowledge the fact say the security agencies dem do the necessary thing, dem try to make sure say dem calm down protesters, dem try to make sure say dem follow up protesters to make sure say chaos no come board and much violence no enter table. After he don praise dem finish, now begin dey warn dem say no matter the matter, make dem respect the rights of country people. Number 3, our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he come sama warning give those people wey dey promote ethnic bigotry. Those people now wey don dey hate their fellow country person based on say dem come from different region and all this kind of level. And in dey yarn this one in response to the threats and attack against another ethnic group for inside social media. And this matter na about that hashtag Igbo must go wey one Yoruba person for inside Lagos start, so e no make sense at all. The president of we country, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he come dey sama warning say make those people now wey dey promote that kind nonsense wey dem comot body, e no make sense at all. Number 4, our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he talk about programs for the youth. He come dey talk about the things and things wey the government don achieve so far. He talk plenty about the things and things wey the federal government don do to empower the youth, and that they include the student loan, digital and creative enterprises program, and different skill development scheme them. And number 5, our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he talk about economic reforms. Baba come double down on the tough decisions wey in government they don take so far, and all of us know say the oga patapata of all the tough decision wey this administration of Bola Ahmed Tinubu don take so far na the removal of fuel subsidy. This man just hash to the extent wey be say the first day wey he just enter office gbagam, na he remove fuel subsidy, and he still come dey yarn say the decision to remove fuel subsidy is very much necessary because the mismanagement wey they don do for economic levels, e no make sense at all. That's why he gats remove am, and as he remove am, he say e go set the nation on a path of sustainable growth. E go help the economy bounce back to where e suppose dey. Now all this one na our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu talk o. Just this one, e come make protesters say they no dey do again. Some country people now for some states, na dem come dey urge protesters say e don do kwanu, make una relax, make una lis ten to wetin our president dey talk, all those kind of levels. But for inside some states, some protesters dem gree die, they say lie, e no go work. Today na day 4 of the protest. Some country people, some protesters, dem do church service for road. Dem do am as they do their protest. As I'm talking to you right now, my good people, based on information wey we gather for inside Osun State, the organizers of the protest dey plan their next step. Anyhow e be, normally I go carry the information pass give the general public, but this na the koko wey I say make I share give all of una. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside our nation Nigeria. So if you would like to receive news like that, make you subscribe to this channel and remember to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, I go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. I dey bring another interesting information for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.